The power of manufacturing. Sampa AirSpring Factory.
The production of Sampa AirSprings involves 12 meticulous steps, starting with engineers at the Advanced Research and Development Center, CAMP, where engineers develop tailored blueprints and test metal, plastic, and rubber properties. These plans encompass size, material selection, weight capacity, and crucial specifications for more than 2,000 AirSpring types.
Through MTS, Sampa enhances material endurance using swift and efficient endurance simulation solutions, including tests on rubber properties and fatigue life. This approach results in stronger, lighter, and more environmentally friendly materials, ensuring heightened durability and safety for all. Production begins using stamping, deep drawing, and welding techniques to shape sheet metals into components, and by applying anti-corrosion coatings and additional protective measures as needed, including ZNFE, ZNNI phosphate, and powder coating. Specialists monitor and control plastic granules for consistent quality, distinguishing their superiority over competitors. At this stage, fully automated processes precisely control and assemble aluminum pistons for AirSpring types. Rubber sheets for the bellows are stored at specific temperatures between 15 to 25 degrees Celsius, creating the ideal hardness and flexibility, following proprietary formulas and demand-based supply. Automated cutting ensures precise sheet lengths of every layer while reducing waste, with up to 35% of all rubber waste recycled back into new AirSpring products. Automated confection processes wire rubber sleeves, ensuring efficiency and accuracy in AirSpring assembly. Precision alignment is crucial for securely positioning the rubber membrane. Depending on the AirSpring type, rubber sleeves are wired using single or double-sided automated processes, strengthening the membrane and ensuring its integrity during the rolling process. Production finalizes using modern in-house vulcanization to digitally control individual curing processes. Tailored quality checks ensure optimal curing results. In the final stage, components are brought together from the previous steps, assembling pistons, top and bottom plates, mounting screws, and nuts. Each AirSpring undergoes a final quality inspection to ensure consistency and the Sampa power of manufacturing excellence in every detail.
The finished AirSpring is then placed into a Sampa blue box and shipped over to you and your commercial vehicle.